Okay, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how to use the solve function in your scientific calculator. Okay, if you look at your calculator, okay, the button that you need to refer is here, alpha, shift, and then solve here, solve equals. So if you want to press solve here, you need to press shift first. Similarly, if you want to press equal here, you must press alpha first, okay, the red one and red one. And last button is X here. Okay, so if you want to press this X, you need to press alpha first. So similarly, this calculator, so you look at these buttons, alpha, shift, solve, and X here. Okay, before that, look at example here. Okay, let's say we have equation 10 plus 2y equal to 100. Okay, so if you want to find value y directly using calculator, okay, first you must know the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, for example here, 10 plus 2y, 2y means that 2 multiplied by y. So here we have addition operation. So in order to solve this one, okay, so we must solve 2 multiplied by y first, then add 10. Okay. So in calculator, make sure you follow the BODMAS rule. If 2y, you need to open and close bracket like this. Okay. So 10 plus 2 multiplied by y. So in calculator, value that we wish to find here, or the unknown value, okay, we use this button. Okay. So how to press this button? So you need to press alpha and then close bracket here. Okay. Then you get this notation. Okay, now let's look at examples. Okay, example 1 here. So I have equation I equal to PRT and value I equal to 200, P 8000, R. So here we want to find value R and T equal to 150 divided by 360. Okay, how to find value R? 6% here using scientific calculator. Okay, first you press 200 and then equal, we must use this one, okay, not this one. So this one since red color, so you press alpha equal 8000, so multiply, open bracket. So we want to find value R, so unknown value we use red X here. So alpha X, again close bracket, multiply by 150 divided by 360, close bracket. Okay, how to check the answer? Press solve here. So shift, solve. Okay, press shift, solve. Okay, so we get 0.06. Or if you want to convert to percentage, so 0.06 multiplied by 100. Then we get the same answer, which is 6%. Okay. Okay, now let's look at second example here. Okay, input the values. 33.75. So equal, use this one, alpha equal 22.5 multiply, okay, T, value that we want to find, so you use alpha X divided by 360, close bracket. Okay, then solve, press shift, solve. Okay, so we want to solve for value X, okay, press shift, solve. Okay, then we get the answer, 540. Okay, now let's look at last example, a more complicated formula. Input the values 64555.53 equal to 40,000 multiply by, so open bracket, 1 plus 0.01375 close bracket. Okay, now power of 40. So power, okay, make sure you open bracket here. Means that here 4 multiplied by t. Open bracket, 4 multiplied by t. So we want to find value t. Use alpha x here. And then again close bracket. Okay. So if you do like this, for example, without open and close bracket, for alpha x, later on your answer will be wrong, okay? Because this one later on, calculator will do value in bracket here first, power of 4, then that value will be multiplied by unknown value. Based on this formula, value in bracket here will be power of 40. So we need to open bracket here for multiply by t. So t we use alpha x, close bracket. Okay, how to find value x here or value t? Press shift solve. Okay, then we get 8.76235515. Okay, so for your answer, you just round off. In this case, we just round off to 2 decimal point.